Hey guys, welcome back to Sumit Everywhere. This is episode 2 of Exploring Egypt. I have just finished at Karnak and now I'm heading to Luxor Temple, which is perfect because I'm staying right next to it. The plan was actually to take an Uber. The app showed 80 Egyptian pounds, but when I got in, the number suddenly changed to 800. Plus tip, yes, on Uber. Egypt is an incredible destination, but scams do happen. So it's important to stay alert and confident, and you will be fine. I just checked, it's about 3 kilometers of walk, and the walk looks nice. So let's do it. The Nile, close beside the city, beautiful and timeless, with cruise ships everywhere you look, so you cannot miss them. Wow, there it is, Luxor Temple. Even from here, it looks incredible. The streets are filled with these horse carriages, locally known as tangas, almost more than cars. And for just 5 USD, you can ride through Luxor and feel like you have stepped into another world. Now, I'm up at this rooftop cafe overlooking Luxor Temple, and honestly, the view from here is amazing. I'm going to chill for a bit and just enjoy this. Thanks for coming along with me today. If you're enjoying exploring Egypt, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. There's a lot more ahead. See you very soon.